Guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today, it's all about tearing the motor down. Well, I've already started to tear it down. Let's get started. All right, so I've already got the pan off, the heads off. I've got to get the timing cover off, and then I'm going to start removing the pistons, get the crank out of there, get this thing prepared to head to the machine shop. This is the head, and I'll flip her around here if I can do it with one hand. And there we go. So she has seen better days. Not bad, but she has seen better days. This motor has sat up for quite a while. So there was a lot of, there is a lot of crust, as you can see, coming out of the motor. So, but I'm really, really pleased with everything so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the timing cover off. And then I'm going to start getting the pistons, the mains out, get the crank out of here, and start that process of getting it prepared for the machine shop. All right, guys, so let me start tearing apart, and we'll come and you'll join right back with me. All right, here it is, completely torn apart or disassembled. I'm going to leave the water valve here. No reason to take it out. But just look how crusty this thing has been sitting for a long time. So we're going to go get everything cleaned up, and they're going to inspect the block to make sure everything is good. We'll flip it around here. I've got the liners are out, as you can see. Everything's out. The block looks really in good shape. So, yeah. So we'll just see what happens. We'll get it. The next step will be the machine shop. So when we pick back up on the next video on the engine build part, you will see a brand new looking block and a brand new looking head as well. So there you have it. So everything is done, disassembling. All right, there you have it, guys. Project removing everything off the engine is done. I've got the caps, I've got everything labeled, intake, exhaust, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's done. We're gonna put those into the ultrasonic cleaner, get all the bolts clean, get everything cleaned as fresh as we can, and then we wait on the head and the block to come back from the shop. But until then, I've got tons of stuff left to do on the car, so we're just chipping away. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. God bless.